So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add story highlights on your Instagram account. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to on your Instagram account. After going to Instagram account, what you need to do first is go to on your profile. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can add your story highlights on your profile. So let's jump into the video. You have to click on this option right here, edit profile. So after that, what you need to do is click on this three-dot bar icon in the top right corner. Okay. Then after that, here you can see here is an option that archive. You need to click on this option. After clicking on this, you can see here is an option. All your stories will be here. You need to click on this story. Those are the stories that you have posted before. So you can add those stories on your story highlight on your profile. After clicking on your story, you need to click on this highlight option. After clicking on highlight, you can add any name you want to. I am going to name this as high story. Okay. Then after adding the name, you have to click on this add option like that. Okay. Then your story highlighted will be added on your profile. Then you have to click on this view on profile to check. After that, you have to scroll down and refresh the profile. Then here you can see here is the story highlight on my profile like this. So this is how you can add your story highlight on your Instagram profile. I hope you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel and leave a like on this video. Peace.